everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing another Primark haul. Yes, I went back and did another shop. Come on, it's me. I love shopping for one and I love Primark for two. So of course you're getting another Primark haul out of me because why the hell not? These bits are bits that I didn't manage to pick up the last time I went, that they were either out of stock or I just didn't pick up because I just didn't and I regretted not picking them up. So I picked them up this time and yeah, if you do enjoy, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe down below if you haven't already, and let's get on into the video. So I have another giant bag, only one bag this time, but it's still got quite a few bits in it. Not going to be a try and haul, I'm afraid. If you do want to see these clothing items, then definitely go and follow me over on my Instagram because I will definitely be posting some photos in them on my feed. So make sure you go and follow me over there and you can see what they look like on. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this. This is such a sweet bodysuit. So it's a white bodysuit. It's like a ribbed material. I don't know if you can see that. It's a strappy bodysuit. I got this in size extra small, so it's a 6 to 8, and this was £4. How amazing is that? £4 for a little bodysuit. And yeah, I think this is just going to look so nice with joggers, jeans, denim jacket thrown over the top, even a skirt. Like, bodysuits are so versatile and you can wear them with literally anything. So I picked up that. They had this in loads of different colours as well, but I just picked it up in white, and like I say, that was £4. Next thing I picked up were some cycling shorts. Now, the first time I went to Primark, they didn't have these in my size in stock. So I was really gutted about that. So of course I had to go back and see if they had them, and they didn't have them in my size, but they had them in size small, which is a size 10 to 12. Haven't tried these on yet, but I hope they fit. I got a black pair and I got a grey pair, and I also got another black pair just because I've already got one black pair. And Primark cycling shorts are just so good. Like, if you want a pair of cycling shorts that aren't see-through, like I've got some from Pretty Little Thing and they're the most see-through things I've ever tried on. Like, even the black pair of pants you can see right through. So these are like the best cycling shorts I've ever found. I got them all in size small, like I said, and they were £2.50 each. £2.50, you literally cannot go wrong with that. This one is a little bit creased, but how gorgeous is this bodysuit? Oh my goodness, I love it. Look at the puffy sleeves. Yeah, I absolutely adore this. I thought this with a pair of denim shorts on a nice summer's day would just look so nice. This is a bodysuit again. I don't think I'd pair this with joggers because it's a bit too fancy to wear with joggers, but I just love the puffy sleeve detailing. I got this in size extra small and this was £8. £8. I just can't get over Primark prices still. Quality of the material feels really nice as well, and yeah, cannot wait to style this item, and I think it'll look lovely for an Instagram picture. So the last clothing item that I got was something that I spotted the last time I went, but I didn't pick it up, and I don't know why. It's one of them things where I regretted not picking it up, but it was this beautiful long, very long cardigan. I just love this. At first I thought it looked a little bit like a dressing gown, but then I was like, no. I've got two and I've been wearing them so much and I do really love wearing them. So I just thought, oh, now I've come back, I'm definitely gonna pick it up because I regretted not picking it up last time. But it's this really soft material. It's grey and like ribbed. I got this in size extra small, which is a size 6 to 8, and it was £13. £13 for a cardigan is so good because you go on Pretty Little Thing and they're like £20 to £25 on there. Yeah, the quality of this is just so good as well. You can't go wrong. I'd definitely pair this with like leggings, a vest top, joggers maybe. It's just a good throw over piece. Especially now we're coming into summer, but the nights are still a little bit chilly. So it's a good piece to throw over your outfit when you're out and you don't really need a big puffer coat to wear. Moving on to the last few things now. As I've said, this is only a little Primark haul, but I thought I would show you the bits that I picked up because I know you all love a good Primark haul like I do. So the next thing I picked up was this cap. Just looks like this. Shall I try it on for you? There we go. Does it suit me? Don't really know if it suits me or not. Oh, now I've ruined my hair. But I love these hats for the summer. I've got a pink one. This is just a really nice jersey material cap, you can see. But yeah, this was only £2.50 and I just thought I'd pick it up when I'm wearing my cycling shorts. I just think it's a really nice accessory to have. Maybe when your hair's greasy and you just want to shove a like cap on your head. Is that a bit grim? Maybe. But yeah, it's just a really cute accessory to have. Maybe if you're having a bad hair day, just shove a cap on, then you're good to go. It doesn't have a size. I think it's a one size fits all because it has the little buckle at the back that you can tighten and loosen it. And this was £2.50, which I didn't think was bad at all. So I picked that up. I then picked up these black super cozy brush fleece lined leggings. Now you're probably thinking, why on earth are you buying those when we're coming into summer? You're thinking correctly, but these were on sale for £2, and when I see a red label I just have to pick them up. Plus, when I went to New York with Sam, I wore my pair of these that I already had to death because it was so cold out there. I wore them to death and I absolutely loved them. So when I saw these were on sale, I thought I'm gonna just stock up, ready for winter. It'll soon come round because I can't believe we're in July near enough already. So yeah, winter will soon come round. Not trying to wish my life away at all, but this year's already going so fast, so I know it'll come round quick. So I may as well be prepared, and I picked up these. I picked them up in size small / medium. That was the smallest size they did. They are usually £3.50, which still isn't bad, but I got them for £2. So I'm stocked up now for winter. Next thing I got was this Prime and Infuse Instant Hydration Priming Spray. Now, I've heard so many good things about this. This is what it looks like. It looks exactly like a dupe for the MAC Fix Plus, which I think is insane. Like, even the top just looks the exact same. I'm going to spray some on now. Oh, God. Oh, it smells so good. So I got the watermelon one. I think on the shelf there was a coconut one, but I think there was only watermelon and coconut left. I think they do a lemon one maybe, but don't count me on that, I'm not sure. But I picked up the watermelon one because I just love the smell of watermelon. I've already took the packaging off this, so don't worry. I did pick up one that hadn't been used. When I got it, I wanted to obviously spray it just to smell, see if it actually did smell like watermelon, and it really does. It smells so nice. So yeah, I just wanted to pick it up, see if it works. I haven't obviously tested it out yet, so I'm not sure if it does work. It's a prime and infuse, so obviously it's a priming spray which you put on before your makeup. But I don't see why you can't put it on after as well. So yeah, that was £3, which I don't think is that bad. And I just can't get over how much it looks like the MAC Fix Plus. I have got the MAC Fix Plus, so we'll see if it lives up to that. And if it is the same or if it is a dupe, we'll see. But obviously the bonus of the Primark one is that it smells insane and they've got different scents. So if I like this one, I might have to go and pick up the other flavours in it as well. And then the last thing I picked up were my ultimate favourite GRWM eyelashes. I didn't pick these up the first time because I was absolutely gutted. They had none in stock at all, and that was the one of the main reasons I wanted to go, because I needed to stock up on them, because I'd been wearing the same pair throughout the whole of lockdown. They'd lasted me that long. That's how good they are. I must have worn them over 20 times, like literally over 20 times. That's insane. They are so good. There's one pack without the eyelashes in, and that is because I have them on today. So this is what they look like. I love them. They are literally my favourite eyelashes ever. So this is the packaging. They are just the GRWM lashes in Princess, and they are just amazing. I cannot say anything else about them because they're just so good. These were £3 each, which I don't know if you class that as expensive for eyelashes or not, but I don't really think that's that bad. And they come with obviously eyelash glue as well. I don't use that eyelash glue, I use something else, but They are insane and I can't rave about them enough. These eyelashes and the Primark foundation, I literally could not talk any better about, because you need to try it. You need to hop on and try that foundation and try these eyelashes too. So that was it for this video. It was only a small haul, not my usual big Primark haul, but I do have my other Primark haul up on my channel right now, so if you haven't watched that, make sure you go and watch that video right now. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Make sure you go and check me out on TikTok and my Instagram. They'll be on the screen right now. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.